Okay, this is my iPhone 4S. I'm going to show you how to lock it using a padlock and cable and chain or a snap link. It'll also work on the iPhone 4, and there's a good likelihood it will work on the iPhone 5. What you do is take your iPhone, carefully place it into the bottom cradle, close the top, and you can see there's a charger port for speakers, and then you can lock it using a padlock, which will rotate. You can put a chain on the end of your padlock and lock it. You can use a cable, same thing. You can use the cable and run the cable through it. You can hang it from somewhere. Lifts up, swings around. Or you can use one of these snap links. Snap link will go through the hole. Rotate, and you can hang it. To remove your iPad, try to get it out of the snap link. Take it out, and you're all done. It's very easy.